Are you having trouble with screen time not working on your iPhone? Whether it's not tracking your usage, not applying restrictions, or showing incorrect data, it can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. This video will help you troubleshoot and get screen time working properly again. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Re-enable screen time. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll down to the end and tap and turn off app and website activity. Next, tap on app and website activity. After that, tap the Turn on app and website activity button. Solution 2. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, just install it. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset all settings. This will reset system settings without erasing your data. By following these steps, you should be able to fix screen time not working on your iPhone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.